Hi there, Mom and Dad. Worried ka ba sa trangkaso or the flu? Or madami ka lang tanong about the flu vaccine? Well, in today's Ask Me Anything episode, I will answer your top 10 most common question about the flu vaccine. Before anything else, I'm Dr. Christine Albakyat. I'm a board-certified pediatrician, and my mission is to empower you moms and dads so you can raise happy and healthy kids. So let's get started. When should I get the flu vaccine? Kailan ba dapat magpa-inject ng flu vaccine? In the Philippines, flu season typically runs from June hanggang November. It coincides with the rainy season kung saan nagta-thrive ang flu virus. So it is recommended na you get the flu vaccine before the flu season. So you can get it is April, May, or June before mag-start ang flu season. Number 2 question. Can flu shot give me the flu? Ibig sabihin, ang flu vaccine ba pwede kang magkaroon ng trangkaso just by getting the flu vaccine? And the answer is no. The flu vaccine contains inactivated or killed virus, which it cannot cause an infection. So, hindi ka magkakaroon ng trangkaso kasi killed virus ang in-inject. Tapos, however, merong side effects ang flu vaccine. It can cause mas pananakit or soreness, muscle ache, or may low-grade fever from the flu vaccine. Alright, number 3 question. Why do I need to get vaccinated every year? Bakit kailangan magpa-inject ng flu vaccine taon-taon? This is because ang flu virus mabilis mag-evolve. So, nag-iiba-iba ang strain niya every year, nag-change. That is why annual or yearly vaccination makes sure you are protected against the most common strain of flu virus for that specific year. Also, ang immunity galing sa flu vaccine bumababa over time, which is why kailangan ng annual or yearly flu vaccine para ma-maintain ang mataas na protection. Okay, number 4 question. How effective is the flu vaccine? Well, ang effectiveness ng flu vaccine ay nag-iiba each year depende kung gaano ka-match ang flu vaccine sa strain ng flu virus na predominant sa taon na yon. On average, nagkakaroon ng decreased risk from the illness by 40 to 60%, which is good enough protection. And even if hindi match ang strain ng flu na predominant sa year na yon sa flu vaccine, it can still reduce ng severity ng sakit. So it prevents complications. So maganda talaga magpa-inject ng flu vaccine. Number 5. Are there side effects from the flu vaccine? Yes, there can be side effects from the flu vaccine. Most people, minimal lang ang na-experience na side effects. This can be soreness or pananakit from the injection site. Pwedeng magkaroon ng low-grade fever or CNAT and some minor aches and pains. These side effects are typically mild and usually mawawala in a few days. Number 6. Can I get the flu vaccine if I have an egg allergy? Yes, the answer is yes. Even if ang isang individual ay may egg allergy, pwede pa rin mag-receive ng flu vaccine. Just make sure kung may history ka ng severe egg allergy, kailangan kang mabakunahan in a setting where the medical professional or the doctor can manage a severe allergic reaction kung magkaroon ka man ito. Alright, number 7. What types of flu vaccines are available? This is a good question. May iba-ibang types ng flu vaccine. The common, number 1, and standard flu shot ay approved for 6 months, so 6-month-old babies and older. Meron din available na high-dose flu shot na designed ito sa mga 65 years old and older adults para magkaroon ng stronger immune response. Meron din adjuvanted flu shot. Meron siyang added ingredient na nagbo-boost ng immune response. Also, specific ito sa mga adults 65 years and older. Meron din nasal spray vaccine na approved sa non-pregnant individuals 2 years and until 49 years old. Ngayon, which one is the best flu shot for you? Better ask your doctor about it to determine which is the best vaccine for you. Number 8, is it safe to get the flu vaccine during pregnancy? The answer is yes. Getting a flu vaccine during your pregnancy is safe and in fact recommended because mom, pinaprotektahan ikaw na pregnant mommy and baby from flu-related complications. Number 9, can I receive the flu vaccine even if I'm feeling unwell? So, pag meron kang mild illness like a cold, pwede ka pa rin mag-receive ng flu shot or flu vaccine as long as you don't have the fever. But if moderate or severely ill ka, it is best to postpone the flu vaccine and wait until naka-fully recover ka na. Number 10, does the flu vaccine protect against all strains of the flu? Well, ang flu vaccine ay fino-formulate year by year para i-target ang most common or predominant strain ng flu virus na ini-expect na iikot for that year. While hindi niya makover lahat-lahat ng strains ng flu, it targets ang most likely na cause ng sakit, which offers already a significant amount of protection. Hey, if you like this video, watch my next video where I teach you about other child health problems.